Hello and welcome to a demo video I'm putting together for you today that is looking specifically at our calendar feature in the session planner. This is a feature that can be very useful, especially for those of you who are doing periodization with your teams, really planning out your seasons. This is something you can use to help you do that. So here I am signed into my session planner library. If you're on the drill creation screen, just go ahead and click on the library up on the top menu bar up here. And then if you want, you click on the calendar and you can see this feature that I'm going to show you about today. This is our calendar. It's very simple. You can either look at a month view or a week view. You can also select your own date range if you'd like to do that. You can see here that I have 3 things on my calendar already. I have 3 different sessions, and you'll see the color here, orange, and yellow. This is me just very randomly putting things on my calendar, but if you are someone who is periodizing your season, these colors will become important to you because what you're doing is you're setting an intensity for each of your sessions that you add to the calendar and keeping track of your intensity leading up to game day, whether it's on Saturday or whatever day that may be for you. So I'll show you how to set that here in a minute. The other things that will show up on your calendar are the name of the session. So this is 11v11 fast attack. How long the session is, the duration, if you choose to enter that in the details on the session pane that I'm going to show you in just a minute. And then any categories that you may have given to this session. So I'm going to show you guys how to edit those different items that are going to show up on your calendar, and then we'll come back and I'll show you how you can print it, share it, and make this most useful for you. So I'm going back to my library here, if my internet will cooperate with me. I'm going to just open up, let me find something that has a few drills in it. Here we go. Open any session that you're wanting to add to your calendar. Go ahead and click edit by your session. Hopefully you've seen this before, but this is where you would enter the duration for your session. You can add a category here. We have some preset options for you. These are ones that we like to use, such as might be a game day, tactical session, technical session, a combination of the two, conditioning, regeneration, or physical. These are ones that people commonly use. You can also type in something that's completely random and specific to what you're doing. You don't have to choose from these. This is the intensity. This is where you're going to set that little color dot that's going to show up on your calendar indicating the intensity of the session you're adding. So it goes from 0, which is light blue, which would be like a recovery day, to red, which is maximal. So anywhere in there you guys can assign what you'd like to this, and then you set your date. Let's bring ourselves into the future here. I'm going to set this one for September so I can show you another month with some new things on it. Don't worry about that date changing back to August 31 right there as it saves. I'm working on that with the developer, but it won't affect your calendar. So I just added that to September 1. I'm going to go back to my library and then click on calendar at the top again. I am going to click on this arrow here to take me to September, and you're going to see that session that I just added here on my calendar for September 1. So you'll see the color that I selected, the name of my session, the time that I put in, 60 minutes, and then the technical tactical category that I added. All of those things are going to show up on your calendar. Now again, you can look at the month view or the week view. You can print these, either actually print them on the printer, or you can click print and then save it as a PDF to your computer, which you can then email to someone, to your team. You can keep on your phone to take out to the field with you, however it's most useful to you. If you are adding more than one session per day, the week view is probably going to work better for you. If you're just doing one a day, the month view or the week view will work great. So that's just a real simple rundown of our calendar feature. Get in there and start practicing, and if you guys have any questions, you can email me at admin@soccerspecific.com. Have a great day.